Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Google Skillshop step by step clearly. To activate Google Skillshop, start by opening your web browser. Navigate to the Google Skillshop website. Look for the Sign In button at the top right corner of the page. Click on the Sign In button. Enter your Google account email address. Click Next to proceed. Enter your account password. Click Next again. Once signed in, you'll be directed to the Skillshop dashboard. Explore the various courses available on the dashboard. Choose a course that interests you. Click on the course title to view more details. Review the course description and objectives. If you wish to enroll, click on the Enroll button. Wait for the confirmation message indicating successful enrollment. You are now ready to start the course. Follow the on-screen prompts to begin your learning journey. Complete the required modules at your own pace. After finishing, take any assessments if applicable. Once completed, you will receive your certification badge. This badge can be shared on your LinkedIn profile or saved for future reference. Congratulations, you have successfully activated Google Skillshop. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.